Welcome to Max online class. Exercise 5.1. First sum. Find the area of a triangle formed by the points. Find the area of a triangle formed by the points. Here, 3 points are given. 3 vertices are given to you. You have to find the area of a triangle. Subdivision 1. 1 comma minus 1 minus 4 comma 6 and minus 3 comma minus 5. So 3 points are given to you. First you have to plot these 3 points in the graph. You have to plot these 3 points in a graph. Draw horizontal and vertical line and then write the numbers. Write the numbers in both horizontal and vertical line, and then plot the points one by one. First point is 1 comma minus 1, 1 comma minus 1. Second point minus 4 comma 6, minus 4 comma 6, and then minus 3 comma minus 5, minus 3 comma minus 5. Just plot all the points in a graph and then name it A, B, C. You can name it any order, A, B, C. After naming A, B, C, then you find the area of a triangle. Area of a triangle ABC is, the formula to find the area of a triangle is 1 by 2 x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3, then x1 y1 x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3 x1 y1. Now substitute half first point 1 comma minus 1 first point, second point minus 4 comma 6, and the third point minus 3 comma minus 5. Then again first point 1 comma minus 1, then cross multiply, half into cross multiply 1 into 6, 6, minus into minus plus 4 5s are 20, minus into minus plus 3 into 1 3, minus, then you put minus sign, then again cross multiply this side, minus into minus plus 1 into 4 4, then plus into minus minus 6 3s are 18, plus into minus minus 5 into 1 5. First you have to multiply up to down, 1 into 6, minus 4 into 5, minus 4 into minus 5, minus 3 into minus 1, and then afterwards you multiply this side. Okay, then half 6 plus 26, 6 plus 20 26, 26 plus 3 29, minus, here minus, add the negative number first, minus 18 minus 5 minus 23, minus 23 plus 4 minus 19. Add the negative number, subtract the positive number. So minus 18 minus 5 minus 23, minus 23 plus 4 minus 19. Here minus into minus plus. So this can be written as half into 29 plus 19, which is equal to half into 29 plus 19, 48. Cancel the numerator and denominator by 2 table. So this becomes 24. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 24 square units. So area of a triangle ABC is equal to 24 square units. Subdivision 2. Minus 10 comma minus 4, minus 8 comma minus 1, and minus 3 comma minus 5. Minus 10 comma minus 4, minus 8 comma minus 1, and minus 3 comma minus 5. Find the area for the triangle whose vertices are given. First you have to plot these 3 points in a graph. First draw horizontal and vertical line. Write the numbers on the line, both horizontal and vertical line. Write the scale and then plot the points one by one. First point minus 10 comma minus 4. Minus 10 comma minus 4 is located in the third quadrant. Then minus 3 comma minus 5, minus 8 comma minus 1. Just to plot all the points in the graph, and then name A, B, C. You can name any order. You can name it any order, in any order. A, B, C, or otherwise you can take A, B, C. That is also correct. Or A, B, C. This one A, B, C, or A, B, C. Can take any order. Then first point is x1, y1. This is x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. This is x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Now write the formula. Area of a triangle is equal to half into x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3, again x1, y1. Write the formula and then substitute the values, which is equal to half into first point A vertex x1, y1, A vertex x1, y1, B vertex x2, y2, C vertex x3, y3, again A vertex x1, y1. Minus 10 minus 4, minus 3 minus 5, minus 8 minus 1, minus 10 minus 4. Write the numbers, then multiply. Half, first you multiply this order up to down. First multiply this order up to down. Minus into minus, plus 10 into 5, 50. Again minus into minus, plus 3 into 1, 3. Minus into minus, plus 8 4s are 32. Then you put minus sign, multiply this order down to upward. Minus into minus, plus 4 3s are 12. Minus into minus, plus 5 8s are 40. Minus into minus, plus 1 into 10, 10. Then simplify. Half, 50 plus 3, 53. 53 plus 32, 85. Minus 40 plus 12, 52. 52 plus 10, 62. So 85 minus 62, 23. Half into 23. If you divide, you will get 11.5 square units. So area of a triangle ABC equal to 11.5 square units. Second sum. Determine whether the set of points are collinear. Determine whether the set of points are collinear. Collinear means 3 or more points lie in a same plane. Here 3 points are given, minus 1 by 2, 3, minus 5 comma 6 and minus 8 comma 8. You have to check whether the given points are collinear or not. The condition for collinearity is area of a triangle is equal to 0. Area of a triangle is equal to 0. Let the points be first point be A, second point be B, third point be C. This is x1, y1. This is x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Then write the formula. Area of a triangle ABC is equal to half x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3, x1, y1. Now substitute all the values in this formula, which is equal to half x1, y1, x1, y1. This is x1, y1, minus 1 by 2, 3, x2, y2. This is x2, y2, minus 5, 6. x3, y3. Third point is x3, y3, minus 8, 8. again x1 y1, again you have to write the first point minus 1 by 2 3, then cross multiply 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 into 6. First you have to multiply up to down, first you have to multiply up to down. Minus 1 by 2 into 6, minus 1 by 2 into 6 minus 3, minus 5 into 8, minus 5 into 8 40, minus 40, minus 8 into 3, minus 8 3s are 24, minus, again you put on minus sign, multiply this direction, 3 into minus 5, 3 5s are minus 15, 3 into minus 5 minus 15, here plus into minus minus, so 6 8s are 48, so minus 48, 8 into minus 1 by 2, 8 into minus 1 by 2 minus 4, which is equal to half. Here all the numbers are having negative sign, so add all the numbers. Minus 3 minus 40 minus 24, minus 3 minus 40 minus 24 minus 67, minus, here also all the numbers are having negative sign, so add all the numbers. Minus 15 48 4, so if you add all these numbers you will get minus 67, here on minus sign, so minus into minus plus 67, so 67 minus 67 0, half into 0 0, so area of a triangle is 0, so the given points are collinear, the given 3 points are collinear. Subdivision 2, a comma b plus c, b comma c plus a, and c comma a plus b. Check whether the given points are collinear or not. We have to check whether it is collinear or not. The condition for collinear is area of a triangle is equal to 0. Area of a triangle is equal to 0. First let us take the first point BA, and the second point BB, and the third point BC. First point BA, this is A, B, C. First point BA, second point BB, third point BC. A is equal to a comma b plus c, b is equal to b comma c plus a, c is equal to c comma a plus b. At the same time, this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2, this is x3 y3, x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. Area of a triangle ABC is equal to half into x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3, x1 y1, half into x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3, x1 y1. Now substitute all the values in this formula, so which is equal to half into a into b plus c, a b plus c, a b plus c, b c plus a, c a plus b, a b plus c. Then cross multiply up to down, cross multiply like this direction. First this direction, half into a into c plus a plus b into a plus b, plus c into a plus c into b plus c, minus, you have to put minus sign, minus, then this direction, b plus c into b into b plus c into c plus a, plus a into a plus b. Then multiply equal to half into a into cac plus a into a square, plus multiply the b inside the bracket, ba plus b square plus bc plus c into c square, minus, here also multiply the alphabet inside the bracket, b into b square plus bc plus c into c square plus c into ac plus a into a square plus a into b ab. Then cancel. Here fully cancel. A square, B square, C square. Look at these terms: A square, B square, C square, AC, AB, BC, AC. AB, BC, AC. This is plus, this is minus. So cancel, fully cancel. So this becomes 0. So half into 0, 0. Area of a triangle is equal to 0. So therefore the given points are collinear. Third sum. Vertices of given triangles are taken in order and their areas are provided aside. In each case find the value of P. Vertices of a triangle. Here vertices of a triangle are given or taken in order and the areas are provided. Areas also given, but you have to find the value of A. Here there are two sums are there. First let us take the first one. Let the vertices be A 0, 0, B P, 8, C 6, 2. Area of a triangle is 20 square units. These are the details given in the question: vertices and the area. But we know that area of a triangle is half into x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3, x1 y1 is equal to 20 square units. In the place of area of a triangle you should write the formula, which is equal to 20 square units. Then substitute the values: half, first point be x1 y1, second point be x2 y2, third point be x3 y3. So in the place of x1 y1 you have to write 0, 0. In the place of x2 y2 you have to write p8. In the place of x3 y3 you have to write 6, 2. Finally x1 y1 0, 0 equal to 20. Then cross multiply: half into 0 into 8, 0, p into 2, 2p, 6 into 0, 0, minus 0 into p, 0, 6 8s are 48, 0 into 2, 0 is equal to 20. Cross multiply. Before cross multiply you have to simplify: half 2p, 0 plus 2p plus 0, 2p, minus 48 is equal to 20. Cross multiply: 2 into 20, 40, 2p minus 48 is equal to 40. 2p minus 48 equal to 40. 2p is equal to 40. You bring this 48 other side, it becomes positive. So 40 plus 48, 40 plus 48, 88. You bring this to other side, it comes under the division. 88 by 2. 88 by 2 means 44. So the value of P is 44. Fourth sum. In each of the following find the value of A for which the given points are collinear. Subdivision 1. 2, 3, 4, A and 6, minus 3. Here the given 3 points are collinear. But you have to find the value of A. What is the condition for collinearity? We know that area of a triangle is equal to 0. So you have to use this condition and then find the value of A. So let the points be: A is equal to 2, 3, B 4, A and C 6, minus 3. Let us take the first point be A, second one be B, third one C. Since the given points are collinear, so the condition is area of a triangle is equal to 0. Area of a triangle, what is the formula? Its formula is half into x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3, x1 y1 is equal to 0. First point be x1 y1 and the second point be x2 y2 and third one be x3 y3. This is x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. Substitute all the values in this formula. So you have half into 2, 3, 4, A, 6 minus 3, again 2, 3 is equal to 0. Multiply half into 2 into A, 2A, 4 into minus 3, minus 12, 6 3s are 18, minus, immediately you put minus sign, and then multiply this direction. 4 3s are 12, 6 into a, 6a, minus 3 into 2, 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. Cross multiply, 2 into 0, 0, 2a, 18 minus 12, 6, minus 12 minus 6, 6 plus 6a is equal to 0. Multiply the minus and inside the bracket, so you have 2a plus 6 minus 6 minus 6a is equal to 0. Now plus 6 minus 6 cancel, 2a minus 6a remaining, 2a minus 6a means minus 4a, minus 4a is equal to 0, so a is equal to 0 by 4. Before that, multiply the minus sign, so it becomes positive. So here before a 0 is either negative nor positive, so a is equal to 0 by 4. 0 by 4 means 0. The value of a is equal to 0. Fifth sum. Find the area of the quadrilateral whose vertices are at subdivision 1 minus 9 comma minus 2, minus 8 comma minus 4, 2 comma 2 and 1 comma minus 3. Here 4 vertices are given to you. We want to find the area of a quadrilateral. First of all, you have to plot all the points in a graph. For that, draw horizontal and vertical line, and then write the numbers on the horizontal and vertical line, and then plot the points, plot the 4 points. First point is minus 9 comma minus 2, second one is minus 8 comma minus 4, 1 comma minus 3, 2 comma 2. Plot all the points and join all the points. Afterwards, in the third quadrant, this is first quadrant, second, third, fourth. First, second, third, fourth. In the third quadrant you have to take the vertex A. Third quadrant you have to take the vertex A. In quadrilateral, in third quadrant you have to take the vertex A. A, B, C, D, counterclockwise direction. A, B, C, D. So let the vertices A is equal to minus 9 comma minus 2, B minus 8 comma minus 4, C 1 comma minus 3 and D 2 comma 2. Then find the area of a quadrilateral. First you have to write the formula. Area of a quadrilateral is half into x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3 x4 y4 x1 y1. First vertex is x1 y1. This is x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3, x4 y4. This is x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3, x4 y4. Just to substitute the values in the formula. So half into minus 9 minus 2, minus 9 minus 2, minus 8 minus 4, minus 8 minus 4, 1 minus 3, 1 minus 3, 2, 2, minus 9 minus 2. Just to substitute all the values in the formula. Then multiply half into, first multiply up to, multiply, cross multiply, minus into minus, plus 9 4s are 36, 9 4s are 36, then minus into minus, plus 8 3s are 24, and then 1 into 2 2, 2 into minus 2 minus 4, 36 plus 24 plus 2 minus 4. Then put minus sign. Afterwards multiply this direction. Minus into minus, plus 2 8s are 16, plus into minus minus, 1 into minus 4 minus 4, then 2 into minus 3 minus 6, minus 9 into 2 minus 18. Then add these three numbers and then subtract the fourth one. half into 58 minus of minus 12. Here minus into minus plus half into 58 plus 12. 58 plus 12, 70. Half into 70. Cancel the numerator and denominator by 2 table. Then you have 35. So area of a quadrilateral is 35 square units. Subdivision 2. Minus 9 comma 0, minus 8 comma 6, minus 1 comma minus 2 and minus 6 comma minus 3. Minus 9 comma 0, minus 8 comma 6, minus 1 comma minus 2 and minus 6 comma minus 3. Plot all these points in a graph. Minus 9 comma 0, minus 9 comma 0, it lies on the x-axis. Minus 8 comma 6, it is in the second quadrant. Minus 8 comma 6, minus 1 comma minus 2, minus 1 comma minus 2, third quadrant. Then minus 6 comma minus 3, it also lies in the third quadrant. Now join all the points. Here A is minus 9 comma 0, B counterclockwise direction. You should take A, B, C, D as counterclockwise direction. A, B, C, D. A minus 9 comma 0, B minus 6 comma minus 3, C minus 1 comma minus 2, D minus 8 comma 6. So let the vertices A minus 9 comma 0, B minus 6 comma minus 3, C minus 1 comma minus 2 and D minus 8 comma minus 6. Then first point as x1 y1, second one as x2 y2, third one as x3 y3 and fourth one as x4 y4. Write the formula. Area of a quadrilateral is equal to half into x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3, x4 y4, x1 y1, which is equal to half into, substitute all the values in the formula. In the place of x1 y1 you have to write minus 9 comma 9 0 and minus 6 minus 3, minus 1 minus 2, minus 8 6, minus 9 0. Then multiply, half into cross multiply up to down, minus into minus plus, 9 3s are 27, minus into minus plus, 6 2s are 12, minus 1 into 6 minus 6, minus 8 into 0 0, then you put minus sign, then this direction you multiply, 0 into 6 0, minus into minus plus, 3 into 1 3, minus into minus plus, 2 8s are 16, 6 into minus 9 minus 54. Half into, after simplification you will get 33 minus of 35, which is equal to half into 33 minus into minus plus 35. Half 33 plus 35 is 68. Cancel both sides by, cancel the numerator and denominator by 2 table, then you have 34 square units. So area of a quadrilateral is 34 square units.